Hey guys, my name is Daniel and I am from the NOS 130 class. I'm actually gonna show you a few things about the command prompt and how to kind of do a couple features on there. The first thing that I'm gonna go over is the fact that I have created a folder within my documents so that I can kind of walk you through the tutorial. So I named this folder CMD, and then if you go here, I actually have a file already in there. Its name is testing, and then I also created a folder called boom folder. Just trying to be fun, and that's what popped in my head, so that's what I named it. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of go back out, and I'm gonna go into my command prompt. So the first thing that I'm going to do is you see that I'm already in the users/Daniel directory. This is the default directory when you open up command prompt. So I'm actually going to change the directory to kind of make it a little easier on me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in CD, which stands for change directory. You hit the space bar and then you're going to go documents. So as you see, where this was originally users and Daniel, it is now users, Daniel, and then documents. So now that I'm in there, I can actually copy a file within that to a different location. So I'm going to see, I'm not 100% sure whether I can change the directory again, but I'm already in documents, so maybe I can change it to CMD. Okay, so it did allow me to do it. So now I am actually within this folder that I created in my documents. So I am actually going to be here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into my command prompt, and I'm going to type in copy. After I hit the space bar, I'm going to go on ahead, and since I'm in the user directory, all I have to do is type in testing, actually quotation marks, testing.html, which is the actual document that I want to copy, and then I spacebar and do quotes again, and I'm going to copy it into the boom folder, which is in users Daniel's documents. So I'm going to go C/Daniel/ no. It's going to be users/Daniel/documents/CMD/boom folder. And then you end your quote. So once you press enter, it says one file is copied. So if I actually click on the boom folder over here, you can see that the testing is now in that folder. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to rename that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in REN for rename, and then I'm going to type in the path file of users. Oh crap. So REN C users/Daniel/documents/CMD/boom folder/testing.html, and I want to rename it to name change. So as you can see, it actually kind of showed it on here. Where I did not type in HTML in here, it has now converted this into just a regular file. There's no set file type, so it's just going to be a file there. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you how to delete. So all you have to do is type in DEL, you spacebar it. I'm in the CMD, so I'm going to go /boom folder /name change. didn't find it. So in that case, what I'm going to have to do is you go back into delete, and then you type in the full path name. So it's going to be users/Daniel/documents/cmd/boom folder/name change. And as you can see, right before us, it actually deleted that file that I moved into the boom folder. Okay, so I'm going to back out of it again, and I'm actually going to do an XCopy. So an XCopy is another copy feature that allows you to set settings while you're copying. So if you do XCopy and then you slash over and then do your help symbol, it actually gives you all of the attributes that you can allow to follow it. So there's a lot, you can actually do this and find out the information on each of the attributes, but I'm actually just going to use the first one, which is the /a, which copies only files with the archive attribute set. It does not change the attribute. So basically it's just going to copy again. So I'm going to go all the way down, and I'm still in my CMD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put XCopy, and then I'm going to do my full path name. So you first start with your quotations, and you're going to go C/users/Daniel/documents/CMD, and then it's going to be testing.html. You end your quote, space, start a new quote, C/users/Daniel/documents/CMD/boom folder. End your quote, and then you follow it with your attribute. So in this case, I'm doing the /a, and then it says one file has been copied. So I'm going to click on this boom folder again, and there's my testing again. So this time I did use the HTML, which will allow it to remain the same. But then I am actually just going to show you how to move it back. So what you do is I'm going to change the directory again, and now I'm in CMD. I'm going to hit boom folder, and that allowed me to go up one more level. So now that I'm in the boom folder, I can hit move, which you type in move, you space, and I'm going to type in testing, and you have to be specific on your casing. So testing.html, and I'm going to go ahead and quote that. And now I want to move it to C/users/Daniel/documents. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to do my end quote, and I'm going to just hit enter. So now it says one file has been moved. As you see, it disappeared here. If I hit the back button, I'm back in my CMD folder, and I'm going to hit it one more time, and here's my documents library, and right here is the document that I moved. Alright, well, that's going to conclude tonight's tutorial, but I will be speaking to you soon. Have a great night.